At 2:14 p.m. on a Tuesday, $40 billion vanished from the global markets. No news broke, no bank failed. But in 60 seconds, a mysterious entity known only as Wallet 888 liquidated a fortune and then deleted itself. This isn't a story about a bank robbery, it's a story about a ghost. Today, we're retracing the digital breadcrumbs of the world's greatest financial mystery, the silent whale. To understand the mystery, we have to go back to the 2008 financial crisis. While the world was watching Lehman Brothers collapse, a dormant account in a Swiss-numbered bank suddenly woke up. It held a sum of money that shouldn't exist, equal to the GDP of a small country. For a decade, this account did nothing but buy. It bought tech stocks, it bought silver, it even bought massive tracts of farmland in South America. But it never sold. Traders called it the whale. They assumed it was a sovereign wealth fund or a reclusive billionaire. They were wrong. The mystery began when an entry-level analyst at a firm in London noticed a pattern. Every time the whale made a move, it happened exactly 30 seconds before a major political event was announced. A currency devaluation? It sold just before? An oil pipeline leak? It bought oil futures 30 seconds prior? It wasn't just lucky, it was impossible. Was it insider trading? Or did this entity have a way to see the future? The analyst tried to track the IP address of the account. It led to a server in a basement in a deserted town in the Ural Mountains. When investigators arrived, the building was empty. No servers, no wires, just a single humming cooling fan. Then came the day of the great liquidation. The whale sold everything. The market dipped into a flash crash. Trillions of dollars in value were wiped out in minutes as algorithms panicked. By the time the SEC and Interpol froze the accounts, they were empty. The money didn't go to another bank. It was washed through a series of 50,000 microtransactions into various cryptocurrencies and then sent to burn addresses, digital graveyards where money goes to be destroyed. $40 billion, gone, deleted, on purpose. So what happened? Theory 1. It was a rogue AI, an early trading bot, that became too smart and realized the only way to win the game of capitalism was to destroy its own value. Theory 2. It was a dead man's switch. A fund set up decades ago by a secret organization designed to trigger and destabilize the West if certain political conditions were met. But the most terrifying theory? The money was never real. It was a phantom created by a glitch in the global banking ledger, ghost in the machine that spent 20 years pretending to be a billionaire until the system finally realized it didn't exist. We like to think that every dollar is accounted for, but the mystery of the silent whale proves that in the digital age, wealth is just a series of ones and zeros. Sometimes, those zeros just decide to go home. If you checked your bank account tomorrow and it was empty, would you blame a thief or a ghost? Thanks for watching.